Hi, so I'm going to show you how to upload the writing task card as an activity on Seesaw. So these itself are the task cards, but some of them match up with the worksheets further down. So there it tells you how to export it. So say for example you want your kids to do this one, so you want them to write a card. So the matching worksheet is this one here. This is the example. And then this is the one that they can complete. So this is the one you want to export as an image for them to use on Seesaw. Now the reason you want to export it as an image is because if you export it as a PDF, they can't write on it. So that's why you want them to export it as an image. So in your bar down here, you choose the one you want. You then go File, Export. And then down here you change it to image, so your image can be a JPEG or a PNG file, so JPEG just for easier, and then wherever you want it to go. Let's save that one. So we've got this one. So then you as the teacher go to Seesaw. Here's my practice class. You click on activities. You then want to make an activity. So you can either go through this way or you can go up through here and click create new activity. It's just thinking. So you then create your new activity, give it a name. You can fill in the instructions. So then you want to add it as a template for them to use, otherwise they're not going to be able to choose, write on anything that you want. So then you need to find where you saved it. Now you're looking for the image, the one that we just did. Here we go. This one here. You want to open it. You want to check it that it's fine. You could give it a caption, so we are learning how to write a card. Yep. And so then it's there for them to edit. You can save it. And so now the activity is created. You then want to share it to your class. So as I've got lots of classes, I'm looking for the one that I just showed you before. You can then edit the students that you want to receive it and the folders that you want it to go in pre to the kids using it. So I'm going to choose the writing folder, share, done. We don't want to do that. And then if I go back to my class, there we go. So then your kids would, if we go back to the task card, so you would have this printed out. The students can then follow the instructions. So first open Seesaw, they then click activities. This one here is what they are looking for. So if we quickly just zip back to Seesaw, here it is. They then choose their name, so the name is the first part. They then complete what you want them to do. So use the label obviously for typing or drawing for writing. They can record it as a sentence at the end and then add it to their journal. And that's how you as the teacher can export these to match them on Seesaw. And there are 5 of them, so there's write a card, there's write a letter, which has a matching one, write a story, write a postcard, or write a note. The ones at the top are just like extra ones that like fall into the writing category that I have in there just as like free activities. So this one is all about like writing their words or whatever. Yes, I hope that helps.